Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee with milk. First, select your favorite brewing method, whether it's a drip machine, French press, or pour over. Grind your coffee beans to the appropriate coarseness for your chosen method. Measure about 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds for every 6 ounces of water. Then, brew your coffee to your preferred strength and temperature, ensuring it's ready for the next step. Next, let's prepare your milk. You can use any type you like, such as whole milk, almond milk, or oat milk. Gently heat about 6 ounces of milk on the stovetop over medium heat or in the microwave for about 1 minute until it's warm but not boiling. Once warm, froth the milk using a whisk, a handheld frother, or the steam wand of an espresso machine until it's light and airy. Now it's time to combine your delicious coffee and perfectly frothed milk. Carefully pour the freshly brewed coffee into your favorite mug, filling it about 2/3 of the way. Then, gently spoon or pour the warm, frothed milk over the coffee. You can adjust the ratio of milk to coffee to suit your personal preference, creating a milder or stronger drink. Finally, personalize your coffee with milk. Feel free to add any sweeteners like sugar or flavored syrups, or a sprinkle of cinnamon or cocoa powder for extra flavor. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your homemade coffee with milk. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.